Hola, bienvenidos al Observador Forestal. A continuación, una entrevista con Charles Scott, del Servicio Forestal de los Estados Unidos, que recientemente formó parte de una delegación norteamericana que compartió su experiencia con la Comisión Nacional Forestal sobre el análisis estadístico de inventarios forestales.
Yes, we've been meeting the past 2 days on a variety of topics, all to do with the National Forest Inventory, the design of it, looking forward to the next inventory, the third cycle, and also the analysis of the second cycle of data collection that's already occurred, and looked at various ways of estimating change in carbon. We're looking at deforestation and trying to find the best methods that would work for Mexico. Well, in terms of, there's lots of methods to address the data quality issue. The primary one is training field crews to make sure you have well-trained crews that have been and experienced. So we have training methods. We have methods for checking the crews to make sure that they're collecting the data correctly. So we'll have another crew, an expert crew, come revisit some of the plots to make sure that they've been done correctly. If not, then we address those issues with the crews. And then we try to improve the data through making sure that the results are as precise as possible by having a large sample size. So we've been talking about increasing sample sizes, particularly for individual states, as they are interested. Well, currently, for various reasons, the crews are all contract crews. And so it's more challenging to have long-term experience with those crews, to train them, and to currently there's no. It's very limited rechecking, revisiting of the plots. Very small staff on the federal crews to check the very large number of consultants. So there's going to need to be some way of more frequently checking on the contract crews, and to make sure that the data are of high quality. They're also introducing a new data recorder program. A field computer is used to enter the data in the field, and so that errors can be checked immediately by the data recorder, and so that fewer errors should come into the office. So those will be two significant steps to improve the data quality. My understanding of the Norway project has really helped in at least 3 areas that I can think of off the top of my head. And the first one is developing a standardized list of species for all the trees, and so that's really helped. There's also the allometric models that they've organized those, and so that there's a very rigorous way for assigning estimating the biomass by species and by location. So they've done an excellent job with that. And we've been focusing previous meeting and this meeting on the estimation methods, working with Oswaldo to make sure that we estimate deforestation appropriately, account for the different levels of density of the plots. Some are measured 5 by 5 kilometers apart, some are 10 kilometers apart, some are 20. And so you have to account for that in the estimation system, and so we'll make some improvements on how that's handled.
Al conocer la experiencia de los Estados Unidos para la estimación de biomasa y carbono en los bosques, se reforzarán las estimaciones que se realicen para México, robusteciendo de esta manera el sistema de medición, reporte y verificación para Red Más en México. Gracias por acompañarnos. Hasta la próxima.
Secretaría de Medio Ambiente y Recursos Naturales.